it's Amy, and I'm back with a Dollar Tree Christmas candy taste test. So, we've got these two different kinds of cocoa dusted truffles. One is peppermint flavored and one is regular. This is the peppermint. This is the regular. We have these candy cane cups. And we have these double filled twist tops. Peppermint chocolate sandwich cream cookies, aka fake Oreos. Okay. Let's start with these candy cane cups. These are by Palmer. Making candy fun is their slogan. Candy cane cups, your two favorite flavors, chocolate and candy cane crunch. 5-ounce bag. 4 pieces, has 240 calories, 14 grams of fat, 13 grams of saturated fat, 23 milligrams of sodium, 30 grams of carbs, less than 1 gram of fiber, 27 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein, 2% of your daily calcium, and 2% of your daily iron. It's got sugar, hydrogenated vegetable oil. That's not good. Cocoa, whey, skim milk, corn syrup, soy lecithin, peppermint oil, modified food starch, vanillin, salt, and U.S. certified color FD&C Red 40. So, proudly manufactured in the USA. This is what they look like. So cute. Ooh, they smell the peppermint. They are not wrapped in a little cup. They're just as is. That's what they look like inside. Ooh, they're good. If you like your peppermint patties, sorry, talking with my mouth full. You're gonna like these. I'll be buying more of these tomorrow. Got a little crunchy peppermint, nice creamy. Got the smooth chocolate. Yeah. What do you think? Tell me you like them too. Ooh, those are good. I'm gonna pause because I'm gonna need to get some water because I'm gonna have to cleanse a bit before I should have tried the other ones beforehand, but alright, I'm back. Okay. Now we got the all-natural cocoa dusted truffles. No preservatives, no artificial flavors. You get 7 pieces in here, and it is 2.11 ounces. These are made from a French recipe, 100% natural. Indulge in these deliciously smooth and rich truffles, a treat for any time of the year. Alright. Gluten-free, product of Canada. Contains vegetable oil, sugar, cocoa powder, whey powder, soy lecithin, vanilla extract. 4 pieces, has 200 calories, 15 grams of fat, 12 grams of saturated fat, 30 milligrams of sodium, 15 grams of carbohydrates, 1 gram of fiber, 12 grams of sugar, and 1 gram of protein. 2% of your daily calcium, 8% of your daily iron. It's in a bag like that. Doesn't open worth crap. Yeah. Alright, let's get these open. That's what it looks like. Ooh, those are rich. Oh, they're smooth. They are dark. You gotta get past cocoa powder on them because it is a bit bitter. Tony, I don't think, doesn't like them because he's not big on dark chocolate, but they're good. You never know it's vegetable oil instead of butter in there. Oh yeah, I would buy these again. And again. Yeah. So there are 2 winners out of 2. That don't usually happen. Sitting here eating Christmas candy on Halloween. Yeah. Alright. Let's move on to these Ripping Good, and we'll come back to the Peppermint Truffles. Ripping Good Double Filled Twist Tops Peppermint Chocolate Sandwich Cream Cookies. Like I said, fake Oreos. So, yeah, we're going to be here a while with the ingredients. Sugar, enriched flour, canola and or sunbeam. It's got sunbeams in it. Soybean oil. And or palm oil. Peppermint powder. Dextrose cocoa. Natural flavor. Red 40. Oh, wait, no. All these are kind of running together because of the parentheses. Cornstarch, high fructose corn syrup, salt, leavening, soy lecithin, natural and artificial chocolate flavor, natural and artificial vanilla or vanilla flavor. Usually they just say vanillin if it's a fake. Alright, let's see what these bad boys look like. Okay, these are claiming they are double stuffed. Oh, they smell good. I love peppermint. Poor Tony's back there about to pass out on me. Like I said in another video, he had his blood drained and it always takes a lot out of him. But he's doing something good for people. I can't do it because of my white blood count, but if I could, I would. Anyway, slight pink tint to the cream. Got some darker red pieces. That's what the cream looks like. Not much flavor. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to smack my lip. Could it possibly be 3 for 3? Heck yeah. Oh my god, these are good. These are so good. You got the crunchy cookie, you've got the cream, then you've got this little crunch of the peppermint. And the peppermint flavor is so good, and it's just... Buy these. These are the cookies you seek. I almost missed my mouth, as big as my mouth is. I can't tell y'all how good these are. Did you like them? Yeah, he likes them too. Heck yeah, and they were $1. And these, I mean, you would not know these weren't Oreos. Except for, they call them double stuffed, and I don't really think they're quite as stuffed. They're so good. Alright, let's see if we can make it 4 for 4. This is going to be a first. Normally I'm like, ooh, that was gross. Or, wouldn't eat that again. Or, I wouldn't buy that again. This is all, I'm going back tomorrow and I'm buying it. So, These are the all-natural cocoa dusted truffles, peppermint flavor. I'm not going to bother going through the ingredients because it's pretty much the same, except it's got, does it actually have peppermint? Doesn't say anything about actually having peppermint. That's weird. Oh, mint flavor. So it's not real. Let's compare the... This one has less fat. So there's less fat, 14 grams instead of 15. And only 11 grams of saturated fat. It has a bit more sugar though. It has 13 grams of sugar. Otherwise it's the same. Again, it comes in this little bag. This one opened better. They look exactly the same. I don't know why, but oh no, these taste musky, and they're good till December 25th, 2017. I don't know why, but Ooh, I'm so glad I didn't buy a whole bunch of those. Yeah, these are, ooh. Maybe it's just because I had that cookie beforehand. And I forgot to drink any water. Alright, let me try it again. Doesn't even smell good. Toby's like, hell no, I need to know. No, it's still got the musky taste. No. Don't buy those. Buy these. Oh, they're so bad. Ew. So yeah, we had 3 winners, and I mean winners. If you don't like dark chocolate, you're probably not gonna like these. If you do like dark chocolate, you'll probably like them. The candy cane cups and the peppermint Oreos are awesome. What? Tony's trying to tell me something. Hold on. I'm back. Tony was wanting me to explain. If you like dark chocolate, these are really good. Buy these. These did not taste anything like peppermint. They tasted musky. They were nasty. Don't buy them unless you like eating nasty stuff. These just don't buy these. Don't. If you like dark chocolate, you're gonna love these. They are smooth. They are creamy. They are rich. Those are good. And like I said, everything else was wonderful. The Oreo fake thingies, those were really good. I usually do a white chocolate dipped Oreo at Christmas and put little sprinkles of peppermint on there. This, you just buy that and I'll do it. Or you could, do it and it'd be super yummy. And yeah, I might actually do that. So yeah, those are good. I'm gonna get a couple extra. I'm gonna get like 3 or 4 packages of those just to put up until Christmas because they're good till April of next year. And I'm gonna do my dipped Oreos with those. And yeah. So I hope you're having a great Halloween, even though we're focusing on Christmas candy. And I'll see you next time.